The Ursa camera is the next evolution of Blackmagic cameras. When we sat down and started to design the Ursa, we started to look at a camera that will be all-encompassing. So something that had everything that you would need. So you'll see we have a 10-inch fold-out screen, which is great for the DOP or the director to actually watch what's being done. And then on the inside of the camera as well, we also have a touchscreen monitor for all of your menus and all of your settings. But also as well, this display can also be changed to see also things like time code, focus peaking, audio levels, and obviously your metadata and the resolutions that you're shooting on. When you actually turn the camera to the other side, you'll also see that there is a mirror image of that sensor on the other side. Now again, this can be actually be either a monitor output, it can be your information regarding your time code and all of your data, and also you can go into your menu structure again and then alter all of your menu bits. What this means is that it's entirely versatile, so dependent on how you want to work, whether you want to work as a single operator or you want to work with multiple people, you can really utilize different areas of the camera to function different elements of what the camera can do. We've also got a CFast media, which is different than obviously the SSD recording that we do. CFast is specifically designed for video. Also we've introduced codecs on there as well, so you've got the RAW codec and also the ProRes codecs on there too. We actually have an EF mount, which is actually available now, it's started shipping. We also have a PL mount, which is going to be due out very, very soon. And then we will also do a B4 mount, and then we also have a HDMI module, where you'll be able to remove the front of the turret, put a HDMI module on the front and connect even a third-party camera to the unit to enable actually the whole back end of the camera to be utilised with a different camera and a different sensor. The camera is capable of doing 120 frames per second, but this current camera that you see here will do up to 60 because the sensor only allows 60 frames per second. But again, as we introduce maybe new sensor further down the line, you'll be able to upgrade the turret of the camera to incorporate a sensor that would be able to do 120 frames per second. So the 2.5K cinema camera and the 4K production camera have been out in the market now for a couple of years. And what we did initially when we announced those cameras was addressed EF lenses and then micro four thirds lenses. And we've decided to now deliver a camera with a PL mount. Now what this is, it's exactly the same sensor as on the other cameras, but the mount has changed. One of the key things with having a PL mount is obviously having the weight and the structure within the camera to enable you to attach something that's not going to break the front of the camera off. So we've worked very hard to ensure that the PL mount is a solid steel front that connects to the full solid background of the camera. And it means that if you're putting an 8 or 10 kilo lens on the front, it won't have any shift or movement and it will operate exactly as the other cameras do. So you're going to start to see the PL version coming out in October. We're very far down the road in terms of manufacturing. We just want to start trickling it out in the next few weeks.